How to fix Instagram try again we restrict certain problem easily and fast. Hello guys, so first thing, go to the settings on your Android phone or even your iOS. So as we said, you go to the settings, go to the apps manager, go to apps here, scroll down until you find the Instagram, click on it, click on the storage, click on clear data and go back, click on the force stop option, and then make sure to go to this data usage and then disable these options and re-enable them again. And now all what you have to do is reopen Instagram and the problem is gonna be fixed easily and fast. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.